Lesson 5. Natural disasters and community role. A disaster is referred to as a sudden event that causes a great loss to life and property. A natural disaster is one that occurs due to sudden changes in the nature. Some common natural disasters include earthquakes, floods, cyclones, landslides, droughts, volcanoes, epidemics, etc. Natural disasters. Natural disasters, also known as natural calamities, are caused by factors which are beyond the control of human beings. When these disasters take place, they affect a large number of people. They affect the entire nation or community. Let us find out more about these calamities so that we could become equipped to face such emergencies and learn what to do in such situations. Earthquakes. An earthquake is sudden shaking or trembling of the Earth's crust. Earthquakes are caused due to the collision of the plates of rocks under the surface of the Earth. When earthquakes are of great intensity, they cause a lot of damage to life and property. An earthquake can be measured on the Richter scale. Droughts. It is a dry period, caused due to very less or no rain for a long time in an area. It results in severe water shortage, ponds and lakes dry up, huge cracks develop on the soil. Due to scarcity of water, crops dry up and wither away. People do not have food to eat. Their animals are starved as they depend mostly on farm wastes. Floods. Due to heavy rains, the rivers overflow their banks and the water of these rivers overflows into the surrounding areas. This is called a flood. During floods, large areas get submerged in water. Due to waterlogging, standing crops are damaged. Many people and animals get drowned in flood water. Landslides. Sometimes a massive rock or a huge lump of soil breaks off and slides down the hillside or the mountainside. It is called a landslide. It destroys everything that comes in its path. Volcanic eruptions. A volcano is a hill with a vent. The vent reaches down to the molten rock beneath the earth. During a volcanic eruption, the molten rock is forced up the vent and flows out of the top as lava. The lava flows out very fast and burns everything that comes in its way. It causes great damage to property and life. Cyclones. A cyclone is a fast-moving, violent and destructive windstorm. Strong whirling winds, together with heavy rain, destroy houses and spoil the crops. A cyclone at sea brings huge volumes of water from the sea to the coastal areas. The rushing seawater destroys everything that comes in its path. Cyclones are a great threat to the people living in coastal areas. Tsunami. Tsunami is a series of giant ocean waves produced by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. These waves, at times 30 meters high and 200 kilometers long, traveling at a speed of 250 to 900 kilometers per hour, can hit seaside habitations and cause enormous loss to both life and property. Epidemics. An epidemic is a disease that spreads quickly and affects a large number of people. Some such diseases are plague, malaria, TB, cholera, dengue, etc. If proper precautions are not taken, the epidemics take the life of a number of people. People stricken by natural calamities need all kinds of help. Many national and international non-governmental organizations, NGOs, work at the time of such calamities to provide help and support. Some such organizations are Volunteers of Indian Development and Empowerment, CRY, First Hand Foundation, Indian Red Cross Society, Oxfam. People who have been affected by a natural calamity need physical, economic and emotional support from the community. Help and support required can be both immediate as well as long-term. Community role during natural disasters. Medical aid. The first and foremost thing needed in the event of a disaster is medical help. First aid medical care is immediately required to treat the injured persons at the site of the disaster. Government and non-governmental organizations, NGOs, organize medical camps and send medical experts for immediate treatment of the physically injured persons. Ambulances, equipments and medicines are required to attend to the seriously injured people. On a long-term basis, hospitals, with all facilities, have to be set up in the area to treat people. Supply of essentials. At the time of such tragedies, the entire community must come forward to provide articles of immediate need to the affected people as soon as possible. Essential needs like food, water, clothes, blankets and tents must be supplied to the affected areas in adequate quantities and in good time. Voluntary and non-voluntary agencies should look after the distribution of food and other relief materials to the affected people. Rescue work. People trapped under the rubbles of a collapsed building or in low-lying areas in case of a flood have to be rescued and brought to safety as soon as possible. For this, there are special task forces comprising of experts and specially trained personnel. Many policemen, fire service personnel, soldiers and volunteers are rushed in for rescue work. Sniffer dogs are also put in service for tracking people trapped under the rubbles. Important points. Natural calamities are caused due to sudden changes in nature. Earthquakes, floods, cyclones, droughts, landslides, volcanic eruptions, etc. are some examples of natural calamities. People who have been affected by a natural calamity need physical, economic and emotional support from the community.